Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? My name is Beth Carrera. I'm the crazy cat lady. And here I am. This I had put away. I got it in September, this Ipsy Plus box, and I packed it and forgot about it. So I know it's late. It's already October and I missed the October one. Because I didn't have enough money for that. So this is how it comes. These are all bigger products. So let's see what's in here. All right. Okay. Oh, they have these right here. Does it tell you the? Oh, it does tell you the value. Okay. So I got this in September and I packed it to move, but I never filmed it. So it is late. I'm sorry, but I can't wait. This is Skin's Dual Action Cleansing Gel. Ooh. So this is cleansing gel. I need cleansing gel. So this is cleansing gel, and I can always use this. So this comes, these products are bigger, and they come in the Ipsy Plus. I don't think I got the Ultimate, I think it's the Ultimate, but I got this. I feel really bad, I just didn't have enough money for the translucent powder. Extraordinary. So let's see what this is. Okay, doesn't want to come out. Jesus, I have to open it. It won't come out. So this is like a very hard. It's white translucent powder. So this is awesome. I like this. This is kind of on the cheap side though. It's like plasticky. But that's okay. I love my translucent powders. Alright, and I got what's this one? Mason Miller. It's a Miller Squad palette. I don't know. Let's see what this is. I love palettes. Ooh, these are like blushes. Let me see. What is this? Ofra. This is Ofra. Really cute. And let's. Ooh, look at that. Really pretty. I believe they're blushes. Blush. Yep, blush and highlighter. And it comes with this cute little mirror. Really adorable. Love that. Alright. I have it all on my hands though. And I have... What is this? A brow pencil. This is a brow pencil. Wonder brow pencil. Really cute. Trying to open it is a little bit hard. Let me see if I can open it with scissors. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. Let me see. Very light. I have to stroke it a few times to get the color. Really, really cool. So, and the last thing I have is Nomad palette. Ooh, these colors are really, really cute. Now that is worth it. Wow, I love the gold. And they have skulls on them. If you look really carefully, they have skulls on them. Really, really cool. God, look at these colors. Love these. Let's try the purple. Really, really cute. So you get a whole big palette in this. So this is really worth $28. Really worth it. Really like it. So as a recap, let me get these boxes out of the way. Okay. Recap. Palette. Translucent powder. Blush highlighter set. Brow pencil. And cleansing gel, which I need cleansing gel. So let's add up all these products and see what they come out to be. My hands are all full of product. So this is from Paris Hilton, mind you. Really, really cool. All right, let's add these up. So it's $39 for this, $37 for this, $22 for the powder, $21 for the pencil, and $35 for the highlighter blush. So it adds up to $154 for $28. So that is way worth it. And I love this stuff. Really, really love it. So I think this is a good deal from Ipsy. So that's all I got. And this is for the September box, as a reminder. I didn't get the October's because I didn't have enough funds to get that one. So I got all these good stuff. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I just wanted to show you all what was it about for September. But it is a good deal for $28, but this, it's $28 on top of your $12. So if you get the small one, it's $12, and then when you get the bigger one, this is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and if you get this one, it's $28. So it's worth $154 for $28. Sign me up. And I got cleansing gel, which I needed that anyway. So what if, you know? So I hope you enjoyed and have a great evening, and thank you all for watching. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that like button. It just takes a second to hit the like button. All right, so see you on the next one. Love you all.